Msomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee. Kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza ndugu zetu. Hivi si wangu? Naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi huko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Bwerero bya mwanchwa omo ligerali Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere litukaligalia rero alia echo mastariki kianda chiomo tienyi o katano mwaka wa 2025 chingaki amanga ganta kwane kigwa gusana kiwe Chinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusi wa monoli tukalimo lioka magega ye kanisa goseba bwatani be kanisa ya Katoliki konyora omo papa omo ya litukalia rero nigo omo bishop we Diocese ya Kisii Bishop Joseph Mairura nyarakaba gakubwatoka engwana yo kumuganilia ama ya pop leo oikomi na kane yune engwana egochigocha gochi omweli Ekeonga lituko lya lero ase turanyaraka to kumuigwa Bishop Joseph Mairura gakokwana ayemo aseyemo jeni gongoro ku Haron Ototo nyangiri otokubatana konsemo ibanyiro ni gakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na negatiali na kwaleganirie ase emagorba ya lero.
To all Christians of the world who remained in prayer until we got this Pope. Remain united. Mwegenteke muvutambe.
Ingwana ayo mabishop wa Diocese ya Kisii Joseph Mairura igoro ya Papa leo oikomi na kane.
Domine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Papa leo oikomi na kane gora emisentangan gigima ya bakadinali korwa chore tueli tuko ligoro.
Ambayo tunasherekea hiyo kazi ambayo wauguzi wanafanya. Mnajua wauguzi ndio wanasalisha wamama, wauguzi ndio wanachanja watoto, wauguzi ndio wanapatia wamama family planning.
Abatresa benyegitali ya karoka kuchingira eiki yabo hiyo manyegitabu na Nurses Week.
Mwanchu muligali kubatikana amo nogochoro kwaye Papa leo oikomi na kane nigo Bishop we Diocese ya Kisii Bishop Joseph Mairura nyarakabaga kubatuka engwana yae kumuganilia omo Papa oyuo omuye ama ya semiremo yae zanyarakabaga kumotogia habuna omonto bwatete chimbaratero chingiya kuikira konyora kiroge kyo Papa hene gati ye chingwana chiri anyarakabaga kubatuka Bishop Joseph Mairura
oikatwakire Papa ngambe ya mono erueta sobo mabuaye kwa omuntu murungi onyata ko omuntu murungi tari gocha gwika lakini asingenjo alengo murunga ko bintu buya nonde tayi ore kupinga intare ko gupanga asingenjo bipangire buya. We congratulate you, Holy Father, so that God may give you strength to rule us, to direct us. So congratulations also to the cardinals who participated in the conclave. Congratulations to all Christians of the world who remained in prayer until we got this Pope. Remain united. Mwegenteke muvutambe. Naende abapapa bababe wabusingira ngaki unaturaba Kristo elieta digo tubwata nindiri Kristo. Tiamangana ya muko nyaguitana ganga abana baisiria bana. No. Ntuna abana banyasaye Kristo nero murayitu. Onye elieta li Kristo liesirito re sabandi goita. Iwana negenteke motori. Tobe genteke. no murembo asitolini zinsengi.
Boigo mwanchumo ligerelie papa leo oikomina kane litukulia lero niganyara kabaga kura emisa entangan kegima huna omo papa alia ase ensi ya Vatican esanyara kaba agakura emisa yenyara kaba wekeranwa n'abakardinali abo banyara tukaba kubwatiranirwa ase ogwa kachikura na kamochora lituko liegoro chinega chi iye chibicha yenyara kaba chikorwa ase chinsemechio chia Vatican.
La pace sia con tutti voi. Domine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. In English, and the rest is in Italian. Dominus vobiscum. Pater et Filius et Spiritus Sanctus.
Mwanjo muligera liko kwenyeria tu hasensemeli ya kabiri kuchiko tole konyora enkwana ya omo Bishop Joseph Mairura asobwagale alionsi anyara koba gakuja kwanira kubwa mono igoro yoko choro kwaye papa leo oikomi na kane tugotika nayo mwanjo muligera li tukulia lero nigo ligire gose nigo aba Teresa kurwa se sub county ya Masaba banyara koba bako chengira lituko lia abateresa guse bagenda kuchengira eki ya abateresa ase bagenda kobolia gusirwa ase mirememi ya bakunyara koba bakora ase nyagitali chito roboti oru rwaliganirwa no mulikito Polcap Okara.
Our nurses, our future. Our nurses, our future.
No muyega hoyogo kurekana kira umutinyo gatano ujagara chitariki 10 ujagara chitariki 5 na mwika chitariki 12 uyu manyakanta sinjira y'Akanyamuriro na International Nurses Week eliyo gucengera imirimo abateresa bagokora ase chinyagitali.
We're here to celebrate as nurses in this profession. Nursing is a noble profession and it is a big profession that needs people who have big hearts to take care of the patients as they come when they are sick.
Those nurses are very, very much essential people in giving services in the medical ground, and we welcome everybody. Then today we want to welcome all the community.
Murubiri yega unyara koba gukurawa ime yenyagitali sub county ya Keroka iyo toka se sub county ya Masaba North muyiga orawa mona Trojan Songo uyuru materesa mwana kurwa senyagitali yega gagendera koba gakwerera igoro yemiremo abateresa bagokolera abananchi kila chinga kekero bakuri yobo gwene kurwa se chinyagitali.
Wauguzi wanafanya kazi mingi sana ambayo wananchi labda hawajui. Kwa hivyo hii siku imetengwa iko kando ambayo tunasherekea hiyo kazi ambayo wauguzi wanafanya. Mnajua wauguzi ndio wanasalisha wamama, wauguzi ndio wanachanja watoto, wauguzi ndio wanapatia wamama family planning. Kwa hivyo siku ya leo ni siku muhimu sana.
Mumuje gonyara koba gogocha kirasi nyagitali yiga ya Keroka abo boigo batara somo chigo Keroka bunenchereyemo yo kumanya abananchi goro yemirimo yabo bakokolera bali aba kuri yobo gwene kurwa se chinyagitali.
I'm a student nurse. Today is our day. I'm very happy because we are learning a lot from this hospital.
Omwelyo yeni go abateresa abaga baganire serikali kuriyereria amagani yabo bunenchereyemo yo kuba umoyo nabo igo kubamenta abateresa bande abo bakorwa se chisukuru bunenchereyemo yo korobya emirimo eyo gokorekana se chinyagitali
sensengima no nyenye Kenya agima nase simba bwate gasi nyinge sana bono iga ntobwate challenge enene nase sia bange nkuru bare Kenya bakogenda chinse chisiko nase togo sabe serikali yaito enyare ko korika nase sia bange gusaba Teresa abange egekora bono iga omochando tobwato monene mbaisaini bari bagosoka kuruchie MTC na abange bagosoka lakini abatubwate nyagitari barabake igo korosie meroberia ase nyagitari akoreka buya nurses bamentu abange chi county chirike nurses ekiagere mirimo ya nurses ne menge sana
inko report rigetaseni kya wanchito kya Getembe kurugigeiga ase chinseme chiga cha Keroka na nasi nyagitari iga ya Keroka sub county ime yebunge yiga ya bugututu wa masaba county ne ya Nyamira inche gonkuru kwa polycap okara
Mwanju muligereri habarai be county ya Nyamira niko banyako bakuboli bwasobwamo komwa omugavana we county yu omoske muminyaribo libaga ndanyaka bakabana kariya amagendero aya nigakwanwa nigati yabarai banyaka bagikirana somo yogo bwa matanga banyako bakorawa amo numwe MCA we ward ya Itibo muskira Ekeonga na boigo omoske Thaddeus Nyabaro obwebu kosebwe ward ya Ekerenyo oyiboigo ole omospika ase omoske Thaddeus Nyabaro anyara kabaka kwanikia buna gwikira bonegana erole omospika gusomonogari bwe bunge ye county ya Nyamira na nikoteba buna nigo olionde community omoske enokokero anyatuka kabaka kurutsikwa abisi gwetera somurobelio o impeachment
Naso mwega bwa matanga uyolenge boko mwenia nyagosira William Gisairo waya hasi kenyero ya kibirichi meye wodi ya gachoba hasi bunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira uyole mumuro mwabo mwa MCA we wodi ya gachoba omoske Henry Onsinyo waya
celebrate his life
Ibere biga niko bikirinwa na barai au kurwase county ya Nyamira egati abo mojumbo mukoro wensemeyo moske Walter Osebe Nyambati Moskatuti Nyamino mwana siasa no monjirulia moske Clive
Mwanju muligereri to gusaba kwabira sengencho kuburukana okuo ogwe chibicha amo na Mario gikolende ko irorera nigo siasa cyabwatanse asomo yiga bo matanga Chinsa mwache kebrichi meye ward ya Gachuba ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba somo yiga bo komwenia momro mwabo omwamsibe ward ya EU ya Gachuba omoske enali obwaya ase omoyigo yuni gonyara kabokeranwa no mujumbe omukoro we bunge yo ya Kitutu Masaba omoske Walter Nyambati egati abarayibande abanke abanyaka bakobwatuka chingwana anemono igoro ya magendero ime ye county ya Nyamira munagutuma nyumba likito Daniel Ontiri
Naso mwega bwa matanga uyolenge boko mwenia nyagosira William Gisairo waya hasi kenyero ya kibirichi meye wodi ya gachoba hasi bunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira uyole mumuro mwabo mwa MCA we wodi ya gachoba omoske Henry Onsinyo waya
celebrate his life
Ibere biga niko bikirinwa na barai au kurwase county ya Nyamira egati abo mojumbo mukoro wensemeyo moske Walter Osebe Nyambati Moskatuti Nyamino mwana siasa no monjirulia moske Clive Ogura egati yabarai banda bange boigo no mubaro munene bo bamenye abo balemya ya mate ya nyegusira
musani ona sana urenge mumungina wa Frida
ukona chinga kecho Nyambati ningasingirira kama mochia umugavana we county ya Nyamira umoske Amos Nyaribo aso gutarongeya sekta yobachano nakorengana na Nyambati ekioni okerere ukina kumabaro okwabarwire abo bagukwa aso utanyora buweni ubuya bunebwenerete.
The reason why abantu bagukumo I don't know sema manyite una Nyamira asekenyingima Nyamira na ile county area ya mo ebwa the highest rate ya watu wa huku amatanga every day everywhere amatanga ya mange na wone ko tangeka onye ndi tuwa nyagitari chiyo kolegasi onya mali ngondi ya roro wono no boyi wole Nyamira all through
asense mwende egati yabarai abaragwa no Moscow waya nigo baira libagerio na kumwegerera musike nyaribo hasomokyoye hase miremo ento kirera magendero hase county yo kurase sector y'obosombi nabagokera igitambukiro yo kugendera kubwatirana na barayi bande hasobogo babolia balia bagenderete kumurwania gesiasa kubwatuka chisegicho limoriuka
ebira kitamna bigo kora korborabu ngoja bire bichakere gachiba gachiba no bigo chakera bisi bichik para gachiba mako ndari goma chiwodi chinde esenge joyo boiri obya kati yane na gavana na bantu bari bare kisakate
ana mange mugira kuiwaria lakini amangana amoko iwa mange bintu abari nyene aba MC eto kuyaleta n'abantu bande una omuseneto Kongo ero ko basaitie gavana kurwa matangazo abantu bazirete iborende okongo tiako atika ko basaitie gavana kurwa sa matanga agenda mo basaitie asagwenda ko basaitie rurali senate na Ibere gavana ngo gendere bake senate aria yaburi kwa maswalia yarwe bintu byaye yabakiria ati era no bocha iborende wono nchena rako tebanga amangana lita assembly yasa na chato konye petokure na ndikiro kiri mwaetwe kyo speaker kyaba gitutu ekyakere chise mochinde birugo mbiroro okwenda noti kiro ngero okwenda west mugirango kiro kyo basena tangero kiro kiri mwaetwe kyaba gitutu kyo speaker buli bokero ntutu kire ndete no kere na ande abantu bali bakurwa ni okero kurbo gitutu watige kurwa ni okero kere kero kiri mwaetwe into abande ntuli bogetutu lakini nabotoke sugumete tubabwate seti
asensemo ya siasa keroyo mo nigoegera na weteba buna bwenete koegwa libaga liokora chinga kyobo choli buraike elia bamenyi be county ya Nyamira banyareli baga linga oliogochora barai bokowania kwabo korengana buna bakolire mirimo hasi chinga gichiga barasi chiabisi
ujinji kona abato muchumba mokorere gasi na korete ngabeka bagambi ngalika balimu ngalika basikali ngalete palile rami whatever ngalete kiringentu mutakombe kali tokore gasi ga kitu wachambiki wosema bantu egasi yari na korete mere ko gara mote umusaja nimo na kiekyo abantu bande bakete ngamangana na kiekyo egasi umusaja nayo kolino muchiwa yosona baki igo ngende kwa sawa to aminto 2027 murigererie buya lakini maitanga seita mejana teyu na kama tawanya kutenera gocha konya komente sabu bakanyinga tikumusajja ranga ndagera kolegas menya ko batigera kusona baki
okonga na bitobo senator aburtense when it is time for teachers teaching fraternity nero tira temege nteke para usinto de tomore mborio siro gwaya alimombu egreto beta maiga muna moita nstige into mukagete abana basonda naenda omorembe naenda amagendero Nyamira nothing else
Timothy nere na ete Shadrach tayari ngoko afite ngoko nenje none no kebwatera kurukemera mata tako yego na wire go siasa yo no konya kwerra niga egenteke no korera abantu egas
kurubudire daseni kya Getembe kurega se county Nyamira eritrene nguruko Daniel untiri
Mwanju murigereri abarai korwa se county Nyamira nigo baboligwe korwa ribaga gocheso mu governor Amos Kimumenyeribo renya kabaga gokirandia abamenyi be county eyo amagendero eyuniga kwanwa ate amatanga gusoma yawe mabo matanga yunyara kabogokiraniwa egati yabanta bange omo MCA bwe godi yitibo musikirameki ongancha na boigo omo MCA bwe godi yakrenyo umusikatadi usinyabaro oyiboigonya ogendera gosegetanga nere omonogari gusoma speaker bwe bunge yo ye county ya Nyamira
ana bana batera abantu baninto tagendera gusabura county ya Nyamira karatwa yesabiro kifuzo kirarara kinyara gusura umugaza na wambo time akora amagendero buna bizara ntwa gatera station yo Nyagatari ya Nyabunge ibonga ituhangoza utakirwa kwa rumiro no chindo chenari to 20 wachase wodi no muspike chiabu atenera na muru
nje bono mbwate nje nkolege tori tali muspika na aba impeach naye nalyo ankyugo kama nje bono nkolita yangu chia tuja kusindana naye nje busukande na gusabira maya shukrani na kufulia kofia aiganinka watu sabiri kasako naye nema ne chinguru babaroko igoron kwana ndetia igoro yege kondo ge kwimincha ani mburanko gende kare alero wasugumire watotebiri ngabantu batigane korora na bubi ingotebire ero nara okondorera buburi ngasa abantu bakumbangira kongenta kunyasaye ndero na kubaye kasago koye lakini ngotebi ndugu yangu ibintu binivyo komu yaliso liomo
Tuwe kioma nyana no kioma nyana.
na habarandia korwa asarwangorwa Kisii ime ya kiombe kima Getembe Kisii Pastors and Clergy Forum nikabaga ndratane mirobali yabo yogo chiko jara kababa gusabira ensi ya Kenya asiritu kuliale rawanya kababa kora egeikaro ime gusese kanisa yamo ime ye bunge ya kitutu chache South banyara kababa gukwanira igoro y'umurobali yabo bugokora amasabo yogo sabira ensi ya Kenya.
Kama huu tuko na kaza ni kutangaza amani. Tunatangaza amani kwa serikali, tunatangaza amani kwa watu wa kawaida, tunatangaza amani kanisani. Hata wachungaji wengine wanapenda amani kwa mwingine. Kabla tujaendelea wengine kuhusu amani, sisi wachungaji tunaweza kuwa na amani kwa serikali yetu ya Kenya. Hatuwezi kusema kwamba tuna rais, tuna gavana, tuna wachunga, tuna MCA na tuombee. Lakini tunapoombea ndivyo inakuwa neema ya Mungu kuombea na kukumbuka kwenye maombi yetu. Inasaidia sana. Lengo letu ni kuwa kitu kimoja. Oneness, singleness. Kitu cha maana sana. Sababu muda mwingi tumekuwa tukiwa kando hasa kuungana. Lakini kwa neema hii Mungu ametupatia kama wachungaji, la kwanza lengo letu ni Kisii County Forum kuwa kitu kimoja. Tutembee pamoja. Naomba wachungaji tuwe kitu kimoja. Maaskofu tuwe kitu kimoja. Ndio mambo sasa wakati ubiri afanye kazi. Kwa umoja tutazungumza nguvu za giza. Kwa umoja tutaharibu mipango ya giza. Ilikuwa Kisii na wachungaji zaidi ya 1000. Lakini ndipo kuna mauaji kila siku. Ndio kuna watega na cha Kisii. Wahanga wanataka Kisii kwa vibao vinaandika mtu anaandika ni mganga kutoka Moshi. Lakini ukienda nayo mpaka Kisii kwa kidutu. Kanisa linaingia kwenye shida. Na hivi hakuna mtu analipenda kanisa. Hapa vijana wetu hawani makanisa, wanasema kanisa haina wema wote. Juu ubiri Injili, ailete neema ya Mungu, ailete baraka. Kwa maana na kuongozwa na mawazo makubwa. Sawa vitu wanavyovitangaza. Kuna mmoja bora mnachoke na ingine mara ngao kusema kasarani. Tusaidie ili mwili wa Kristo yetu usiwe unachunguzwa. Sisi ndio tunastahili kuongoza serikali na kuongoza serikali. Sio serikali sasa kuongoza mwili wa Kristo Yesu. Sisi ndio kioo cha dunia hii. Lakini baada ya kuwa kioo tumekuwa kitu tofauti. Tumekuwa na matope. Lakini ubiri habari tunapatia heshima yetu. Ili ukikaa mahali lazima mpisho wa Mungu anakaa. Mpisho wa Mungu anapita. Lazima imekuwa faithful.
Mwancho muligereri na mange na kwareganeria yajua bwatraneti engwana ya Bishop Joseph Mairura igoro yogo chorwo kwaye Papa Leo oikomi na kane yugo chikonyora sensamende yomotimogo kurinda sabonege tokwenda ensema ya kabire ye studio tonyore obasemi bwa Getembe kurasomu waka ocho nyambasura tokwirana ngendero kumanyia amange mie Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, mangana mazi, bangina ninjo.
Aye, na abere kirumana nchoke, kuna mankina tiko yali.
na bereke irumana nchoke kona mankina tinko yali tatondane pono abantu bali ko chikumuina ali ko nyomba mwina abo nyomba mwino kuruwesa kukende kuri mukwarangiri ngaya mangana na abera nchuto yali yali mangana abono akiaba ko chikogenda ororo kwanyara n'igentege si akagentaga sininga bono wanembe banire yaje tukochaga iga ikali chingeni cyane ga ikali wanembe banire moko ndagiriko cyangwa mbe banja tetega iga kalibyi na bereke rumana ancho kikona mangire ti okorangiriko akangana ga sinini ngabone kinankire ga iga wono roje gosumu muno sumu wako yo ngayale ikabanga ngabono umeto mwako yo yache tushimata bwa tangirinje tubeti satangerati wono nakikina korangirije ko gamba inkibono kirega abuga aje inkyoje kirega abu na bereke rumana anchoke kona mangina tinko jali kangana kande kede nkeya bukwarangeririwa bosatu okote kugambiki nagitayo nese senjaje tega etansa iga muno iga wantu betu sene ayari tege chuchu ko sengaki na bereke rumana anchoke kona mangina tinko okorangeriwa kangana gasini ni kataiza ini akiki bano mugusiata atebetanga na bereke rumana anchoke kona mankinda tinko nyalia
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana man, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya buatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwiri jirili ya mabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yetu nigo enkale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigo kurigirilia amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberelie kende gensi uragania bago teberelie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwe gabwate chi profile net gauges au na mono babwate nomo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigech emerungibire na isaro nesato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chinga gicho gwakerenya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyara kwa bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya sivika ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoburu wikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchigo busongo iyo irangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera seti namba chapa 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwantu muligerelie karibu nanda sensemo ya kabire Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere abantu 12 niko basiria amagimabo emambe ya rero ase eparene korunchoro gochiamoro maiga yokubatirwa no mu basika no mutindi uyo nyara kabago kubatirani egali ya matatu ko sijabo sombe bo bantu amo ne chigali chinde Ibere abakenya niko bagendete kubolibwa kwa maiso chingaki bagutumeka chipara eliko nyara kaba abago konya gusegotanga emebasikano engabneyo.
tupo ni eneo la Aremi, pahali kunaitwa Amko, na sana sana hapa kila wiki tumekuwa na majanga na mikasa ya accidents, lakini ya siku ya leo imekuwa moja ambayo hatujai shuhudia tena, na tuna masikitiko sana kwa sababu ya hali ya hii barabara. Barabara hii hapa kwa hii kona ni imejipinda kiasi kwamba gari lolote likipata mkasa wowote ama liwe na brake failures, hiyo accident inaleta mambo mabaya. Na wiki jana hapa kulikuwa na accident nyingine ya gari ndogo na lori pia. Kwa hivyo tunaomba watu na idara ya Kenha hakikisha kwamba imepanua hii barabara katika sehemu hii, kwa sababu kila wiki malori ya miti imekuwa ikianguka hapa, magari madogo yamekuwa yakipata ajali hapa, watu wa bodaboda wamekuwa wakipata ajali hapa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wazingatie na waangalie hii barabara.
Natoka Nyahururu nikielekea Moro, tukapata accident hapa kunaitwaje,
Aremi.
Tukapata accident hapa Aremi, tukagongana na Nissan ilikuwa imekuja ikatoboka mguu, ikaroro ikatukuta ikatugonga.
Na mwancho mo ligerali kubatakana ne chinguma amone liogiri kanate ko kwaneka anemona seme tanda igoro emeremo abasa babere bakonyoro Chinsa chesiko nigo omolikyo monne we wizara yale pasha drake mwadime nyako bago tukutarale ebirengerali bya bakenya bange asogota babuna nigo ense ya Kenya gerate ko bwatoka abasa ya bango Chinsa chesiko abagante ko kora emeremo as Chinsa echo elyo kweligeria engeri yabo yakeralituko
us as a country. Najua lakini kule sio Kenya, nchi nyingine. I want to refute claims that have possibly gone out there that this particular program is not succeeding. You can see we are flagging off young people on a daily basis going abroad, not only to the Gulf countries but also to the Western European countries. Last week we had a number of young people going to Germany. We are already having discussions also with Italy, with the former Eastern European bloc, so as to ensure our young people gain employment in this international labor market that is opening up afresh for Africa of our young people. We have conducted pre-departure training to appraise them on how they should conduct themselves while they are out there in the countries of destination. This is deliberate because we have a brand to protect, and the brand that we are pushing for is that our young people are energetic, they are disciplined, and they are hardworking. The Youth Enterprise Fund. We began a conversation with the chair of the Youth Enterprise Fund, who is here with me, about 3 years ago, when we started pushing for this program to succeed.
Nchwa ligerali raibu ense Moske William Samoei Ruto niganyaka bagakoenekia huna chitenda gusichikonda chigendete gukorwa ate obwagachi au emergency ya Kenya nemono chisemo chia affordable housing nigo bogokorwa na bakenya kureneta Chinsa chia isiko muna abange babere bakorengereri gose bagokwana korengana nomo raibu ense nigo egente kia bere gekoenekia gukidia uchumi ya Kenya aya niganyara kwa yakwana chinga kiara igikaro kia abaonchoreri igemaithemna Kenya Chamber of Commerce.
So the governor can step out and have Kwale County.
So we have provided a facility of 10 billion shillings to KEMSA. And the CEO of KEMSA is here. I want him to confirm. We have provided a facility of 10 billion shillings to KEMSA, and they have absolutely no reason today why they cannot supply every commodity that is required by counties. My request to the county governments is we also need to make sure that as KEMSA provides commodities, they are paid. Yes. It is the only way, you know. I mean, it's just what it is. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. The lawyers say quid pro quo or something. So we just have to agree.
Mwanjumu ligerelie toko sabo kwa gebira ase somagano yu nyale kwa bago swa embeo nigo tuale gosadigo muraibu ense Moske William Samoei Ruto anyaka bagakora moroberio bogochakia obokoreri gochia ase chinsemo ao imeyense namono obokoreri bobochenu asanyara bagochakia chinjira ao chekerero chokonyara kwa chikorigereria chinjira amarwaire akonyara kaba gagotunyanwa na korigererwa na koringorigwa ase chinsemo ao namono ase chikaunti ao imeyense ya Kenya.
Of the 300 billion contracts we have signed for affordable housing, for markets, and for hostels, all the companies are locally owned companies, all of them. We don't have a single Chinese company building our affordable counties have to sign that as we pay their share claims, we will make sure that we pay for the medicines that are being supplied by by KEMSA. I think that is the agreement that we have. And good people, we all agree that the biggest quarrel from the public in public health facilities is the Hakuna Dawa thing. So we must deal with this Hakuna Dawa. And that is the only thing that is still holding us back. So this Hakuna Dawa thing, we must deal with it. And we now have a framework where citizens can go to our health facilities run by the public sector and find the medicine that they need.
The vehicles which we are receiving today will facilitate surveillance activities in the counties. This is one of the areas we are going to collaborate with national governments just to make sure that our people get health services which are optimal. There are many areas of collaboration on matters share. I want to assure you that as governors we have taken the forefront.
We want to do in order to improve on share, and the universal health coverage is on the health workers and the entire county and national government civil servants.
Na boigo mwancho murigereri omoraibu enso moske William Ruto niganyara kabaga konekia huna obwagachi bolibo kante konekwa chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya anamono insio muroboli olibu affordable housing nigo bogokorwa amone chikambani chiaba Kenya kulenta chikambani chinde kuru chinse chesiko moske Ruto nigakwa na igachi ngiga Kenya kabaga gotwalege karo na babwatani Ekeonga ya Kenya Chamber of Commerce ime ya amagacho kose ime mochie o Nairobi.
Of the 300 billion contracts we have signed for affordable housing, for markets, and for hostels, all the companies are locally owned companies, all of them. We don't have a single Chinese company building our affordable housing. We don't have a single foreign company from anywhere. I am actually amazed at what Kenyan companies can do. You know, the fact that Kenyan companies have actually undertaken the affordable housing program in totality, Kenyan-owned companies, you know, and they are building all our markets and they are building all our hostels. I am very impressed. That
at the time when history is made, people are not conscious of it. They become conscious of it much later. In the history of industry in Kenya, some of the things that we have talked of for the last 30-40 years are now gaining roots. Be it in the kites, in the EPZs that we are making across the country, and the allocation of funds to operationalize all these, we see a huge change. And we believe that in the coming days, we'll be able to see the results that have come. We believe in partnerships, unlocking challenges, and working with all the stakeholders across the industry.
We need to bring them to the formal fold. Some of them have very good ideas, very good businesses that can and should be scaled up, and we as chamber leaders, and some of them are here. Some of them not only leaders but also business people who deserve to be helped to scale up their businesses, and that is one of the mandates, and we intend to do that. We have a plan for that, to scale up and digitize.
Mwanchomo ligereri ase ensemelio mwelia lituko lia lero nigongo chugogotiga na enkwana ya Bishop Joseph Mairura yonyara kaba gagokwanira igoro yogochoro kwae omupapa omuya Getembe leo oikomi na kane gose leo the 14th oyonyara kaba gagochorwa lituko lia igoro kolde yuno no robot ngogotigera gose imwe ngwana ngogotigera asembe mwanchomo ligereri ncheni ngongoro ku Haron Ototo nyangiri kurense amenyerio ni gakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na boigo ensema transmission ni gakoro kwa Kevin Ongeri yandago twaro boligereri buja ime ya Getembe TV Ekeonga kya Momusi.
My dear people of God, I want to introduce to you my Vicar General who is here with me. Mwata, you know him, and Father Masese is also Monsignor because he has been in this field in the past. They helped me to govern the diocese, about six appointees. So these are the two who could be with me today. And yotole iga keiga ekoera mintokorwa Getembe TV batotarire. Nendo gukiraigo uikato TV nganende bakuira se TV. Ngane imono mono asinga kiga gerengete se ochorwa kwa papa uitumia omuya. The whole world was expecting this new pope. The whole world, not only Kisii. And we prayed that it happens, and it happened. You'll forgive me to speak this in English because it is clearer. It is clearer that the whole world was waiting, which means we have one faith in the world, one faith in Jesus Christ. And we were all waiting, whether it is Muslims, whether it is SDs, whether it is... we were all waiting. This man is not a man of one religion. He's a man of all people, of all faiths. And he comes to unite us, to bring peace to all of us. And that's what we want. Iyo nekera papo lia kwete na watu yeto ichanete. Lakini nena watu mupango ya mwaroche seti uno chiete. Cardinal suna wachete kuru ensengima. Agasikirwa mpaka wasoka isiko batu osalia monga bona abantu bande bobwate chisiasa chabo chinyingi. So they entered the conclave pure in mind. Conclave means conclave agasikirwa neke bungu bakabera abo ndeta igosoka ndeta ikukwana nonde siminchiyo bakaurwa egere banyari konyora umuntu yomo ubwata abantu abange bekerengererie ekemo abantu abange bekerengererie ekemo mbuya kubwa abantu babiri. And that's what happened. I want to say something to my people. Don't forget, they were not in the conclave to choose somebody exactly like Francis. They were choosing his successor. His successor is not Francis. His successor now is Leo the 14th. It's Leo the 14th. You have made a mistake. Oliga buate jaya okore bintu biaye. Na ndika sabete ngoyo kumubuate tasali bintu biaye byozi aire binde agaendereri. Oyo wana to amanyote no muntu mwaopi ko buoria. Pope Leo the 14th is a well-known person in the world. He is very well learned. He belongs to the universal circle because he once became the superior of the Augustinians. Some sacerdotes became the Augustinians. The watange wane kuruka itasis olio Edwin Nyauma ebano. Ange bane batan naradi mwabo rumba bwate nyumba ya borom. Omo wako ne rolingo mane nwali korale se nyumba inaralite. Tamanye tuze na chiko baginteke. Na ende kerale ga wese nyumba ga kusiumiri kuchia mate orra mwa papa. Bono osina ende ga no sabanga total konyora na into muntu ku Augustinians, and they have gotten him. I will say something small about him. Don't be afraid. Mo pasa ko bano huoba. Oyo na bago tura uya. Korengere ligara tura una John Paul atora ete ekoera umuntu no mungaine abwate chitigiri tano nemo igono mungaine na ende muigwete keraso gote kurwaria Italian ya gukwana nkwale komanya tainga tali mu Italian. He spoke pure Italian because he has been living in Rome. He was the superior general of the Augustinians for 8 years in Rome. He knew Italian perfectly. And then as Augustinians, so he's well versed about the whole world than even Francis. He came to Nairobi in December. Na chete Nairobi December koigore nyumba yaba murabaiga. And I saw his picture and I said, muntu otali uri arochi Nairobi nere. So the summary of his life is he was ordained to priesthood on 19th June 1982. 1982. He was ordained to episcopate 12th December 2014. He was elevated to the cardinalate on 30th September 2023. Leoya. Akabe cardinal ntaraba kenda. Na nje ngamwakira chinkobi. Because umuntu okolina bwango igabantu mbaroche ngakiale. 1917 Nadia called a bachelor's degree in mathematics from Villanova University. Onontobwate Papa umayete mathematics mono otobwa. He got his master's in divinity from Catholic Theological Union in Chicago. In 1984 he got a licentiate in canon law. A canon law is amachiko ecclesia from the Pontifical University of St. Thomas Aquinas Angelicum in Rome. So no muntu somete. Lakini into ekongoke igabwate amaisa korra ensengima ego rotari riki nyumba cyabo cyose ensengima. Paka Nairobi ga chete muisonde kumetingo muntu no arenga muisonde onye manya na ko enda mukwani motenga ukonyore kero ikyo onyi ondengereri. Assignments. The Holy Father from 1985 to 1986 he was doing missionary work in Peru. Peru is a remote area. That is where he was a missionary for many years. In his simplicity, he accepted the Peruvians. 1988 to 1998, he took various roles in Trujillo, Peru, including community prayer, formation director, and a professor. 1999, 2001, he was the provincial of the Augustinians province of Chicago, the whole of Chicago. Then he was the prior general of the Order of St. Augustine, 2 terms. This order is a universal order. He was twice the leader. Then 2014 to 2015, he was the apostolic administrator of the Diocese of Chiclayo, Peru. And 2015 to 23, he was the bishop of the same area, Chiclayo, Peru. All this exposed him to becoming something bigger. And 2 or 3 years ago, this Holy Father died, chose him to be a cardinal. He chose him to be a cardinal. Akamachora kabe cardinal, tamanye tiusengo jakawali pope, era kabwate kiroki akiwa cardinal, akaramenya room, bakakole kasina papa, iko bakamanyana. Ono ochorukwa kai papa ori kuete omochorete. Ona bantu bakamanya na senjeraki. Senjera eke missionary. So ono no ene regera ri ga ri tamani to singo chako chorwa ya tabo kere tiga ekero moko chorwa igo mosi kerwa lakini erumu ende ne roro ase chapo system chapo ekero wa chorwa pop oi kwa we Chinsa usino se amorengeriruya otara kwane gento ogo siekerwa ese chapo eyo ekero no kebekire etauro no ere nebeseni amariga ikiro konya gotinya mariga orere aindo maire nkorera bari kama tu chukore kali nti umonene kunsema you refuse speak you cry he cried krakora gata nanjire zikano chikaka tinko bya bandi bagasoka because bakore gazi yabo ali arete tugoje ziko abantu kero mu Chinsingi mese gatengecha nini nchinkora yani kanyegeri unga ento tukanyete tuwanyorere bono oyo nabago chikoba okubwatia mangana Francis yasinge yo morembe ne bintu binde nere nabwate bintu byaye bigo sanganana we are enriched by this man. So he spoke Italian very perfectly. No ni te kabo yo no mo America bo no to ke is an Italian in a way because he stayed in Italy for a long time. The Pope has two citizenships. He is a Peruvian. He's a Peruvian and he's an American. So amete Chicago mono akabe provincia no entra mbunavamo manyete gono mu America. Lakini tara mangana Peru. So that is, he will help many people who have doubts and straighten their ways as far as Christ wants us to follow him. And I'm very happy. The people of Kisii, especially the Catholics, were very happy. Kero papa chole tu na kero tu chete kwa somi miseri no socho yo wa kero Papa Francis kwa hili mwa ruete birenga libino nga oyacho rugwango na vera bebia na sai na igwete amasabalino to amanyori ono lende gote no chenga woka yine mubwata kamboni na makonde taranda gere na nchega mbia mona tikanya zava sisini muna toko chikokora oikatwakire papa ngambe ya mono erueta sobo mabuaye kwa muntu murungi onya atako muntu murungi tari gocha gwika lakini asingenjo alengo murunga kwa bintu buya nonde tayi ore kupinga intare ko gupanga asingenjo bipangire buya. We congratulate you, Holy Father, so that God may give you strength to rule us, to direct us. So congratulations also to the cardinals who participated in the conclave. Congratulations to all Christians of the world who remained in prayer until we got this Pope. Remain united. Mobegenteke mubutambe. Nainde abapapa bababe wabusingiranga ki unaturaba Kristo elieta digo tubuata nindiri Kristo. Tiamangana ya muko nyaguita naganga abana baisiria abana. No. Ntuna abana banyasaye Kristo nero murayitu. Onye elieta eli Kristo elieta serito elieta sabandi goita. Iwana negenteke mutoli. Tobe genteke mo. No morembo asitolini sensengi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achabwirigiriria mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkare iyuerengia na wigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo gukwarigania na wigocho tebererie kindi kinsi uragania bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills nikobabwate amabati y'ekinyenjo aho ayuari y'ekikala aho na wigo ayuwiga bwate chi profile net gauges aho nabono babwate no corrugated na wigo box corrugated asibe babwate boomerang ayuari ay'ekigauge emirongitato asama bati ali ay'ekigauge emirongibiri n'esatu babwate tile profiles alia oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM nikobwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design obwate igani kabwate chikala bunabono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bw'amabati iga nikobo kolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikonyara kwa gutumika chinga gicho gwakerenya amabati iga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kwa gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo orakoburu wikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex iyo muchigo busongo iyo irangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.